What's up everybody, Kevin Jones here, and today we're going to be talking about wireless microphones. More specifically, we're going to be talking about the FIFINE Technologies K037. I've been looking at getting a lavalier microphone just for the fact that I'm going to be doing some interview style documentary filming soon, and so this was a perfect opportunity for me to try this one out. It's a very low price point. Last time I checked, I think it was like $30 on Amazon, so it's really well priced. Let's check out the performance and see what it's like. It comes with this actual lavalier piece, which takes this one is two AA batteries, so it's not rechargeable. The AA batteries. The actual receiver that goes on the camera is the same kind of thing. It takes batteries as well. It's not rechargeable. It takes AAA batteries. It comes with a little antenna. Turn on right there. This will plug right into your mini jack on your camera. So pretty much comes with everything you need. If you're going to be doing any kind of I guess if you're like sitting at your desk or something like that, then it comes with this as well, so that you can utilize hands-free kit as well. But we're going to go outside and test it. So that being said, it's very cold outside. So first, I think we need to change to something a little bit warmer. Oh, that's not right. Okay, that's way better. Let's get going. What's up everybody? I've got the lavalier microphone hooked up and we can actually hear the quality of what you're able to get with this thing. I do like the fact that you can have the lavalier on and you can kind of be separated and away from the camera. You don't have to actually worry about how far you are from the camera. I also like the fact that you don't actually have the Rode mic on top of your camera. You can be a little more secretive. People don't actually think that you're like making films or doing something like that. So overall, that kind of is cool, but the actual the receiver doesn't have any way to mount to the camera, so I literally just have it kind of hanging off the camera. But overall, let's go check out the quality indoors on Premiere Pro and see if we actually like what we can get out of this thing. What's up everybody? All right, so now I'm back at the room and I have my lavalier microphone still on me, so you guys are gonna be able to compare the audio from before when I was using my Rode microphone with now with the lavalier FIFINE Technologies microphone. Personally, so far, I've really liked the quality of the actual audio. I imported it in, checked it out. It's very crisp. It's very localized. With like the boom microphone or an actual directional microphone, you always run the risk that there's going to be some level of echoing or bouncing that might be happening in the room that you're in if it's not soundproofed. So I travel a lot, so I'm going to hotel rooms and I'm constantly having to deal with that. And so this really isolates the audio, and so I think it's really good for tutorials, it's really good for documentaries, it's really good for interviews, it's good for situations where the person that is actually being recorded needs to move around. You don't have to worry about the microphone and where it is and if it's pointing at him or if it's close enough at him to be able to pick up the proper amount of sound. You don't have to worry about as much background noise, but it also is a little more sensitive. So if you tap it or something like that, it will cause a little bit of background noise. So you do have to take that into consideration. Overall, really like the microphone for the cost. The only thing I wish is that there was a way for the actual receiver to mount to the camera. I'm gonna have to make something to basically hook into the hot shoe, or I'm gonna have to use gaffer tape or something like that to tape it up every time I use it. So there's this certain issue with that I have. There is one other issue. The receiver and the actual microphone take two different kinds of batteries. So you're gonna need to carry AA's and you're gonna need to be able to carry AAA's with you. So it's not that big of a deal, but it is a little bit of a pain in the butt when you don't want to be carrying so much gear with you, and I already have so much other gear. So now I'm gonna have to pack some extra batteries for this device if I'm gonna use it in the field. But overall, the quality is great. For the price, you can't really go wrong. If you guys are looking for an entry-level lavalier microphone, this is definitely the one to try out. If you keep it nice and take care of the equipment, I think it will last you a long time. Again, that's kind of hard to tell because I haven't had it that long. Again, this microphone is probably a great entry-level microphone. This review that I'm doing for them, they're not paying me for this review. They did send me the product, and so they let me try it out. But overall, pretty satisfied with the microphone, and I highly recommend it for you guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to both microphones. Please let me know if you guys have any feedback. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to follow along. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.